Hi guys, the main goal of this video is to present you and show the main functionalities and features of threre.com platform, using which you can create full-fledged internet shops. You can manage these shops from the very first step till the last one very easily and comfortable. You currently see one of the examples of the internet shops which was created using threre.com system. Particularly, this shop is in Russian language, but in your backend you will be able to create shops using different languages. Currently, you can make possible to implement just English, since the system is translated, system messages and labels are translated in English only. But in future the range of languages will be added. So let's see what we have here. You can see the structure of your product's catalog in form of a multi-level menu. It looks like this. Each level has the sub-levels, and you can see that the first level is presented at the top of the menu. The second level are marked with green, and the third level just is presented like hyperlinks. I will show you a couple other things here, and then we'll move to another shop, prototype shop, which has English content, and this will be easier to see and feel what we have. So we have a banner rotator. You can rotate different images. You can set up different sections like sales leader, new products, our advice, and different sales or proposals. Another advanced feature of this site is an intellectual search. For example, if I'll input just 3 letters, it quickly suggests all products which match those 3 letters. So, as I said, let's move to the prototype internet shop. So what you see now is the page which you see when you just first create your shop and logs in. Of course, I have added a couple of categories here and subcategories. As you can see, there are few of them here comparing to the live site. It's because it's just a demo internet shop. So let's proceed with other features which platform threre.com affords to build in your internet shop. Let's start from top to bottom. First of all, let's pay our attention to the menu which will all users of the internet shop see. It is on the black background. It consists of 7 items in this case. The first one is pretty self-explanatory. The second one about us, you can see here the location of the internet shop, the physical location, if is any. The third item links to the page which describes the payment methods and delivery methods. Fourth page is contacts, publications. It's a kind of mini blog which you can use to promote your web shop in the Google engine or somewhere in the other search bot. Also, the users will be able to leave the feedbacks for the shop in general. It is a positive thing in case one of the previous users left a positive feedback for the shop. All the further customers and potential users will have more desire to buy from your shop. And there is also a call me back function which can be turned on and off from your backend. It is a simple form which looks like this. At the top right corner on the black background you can also see a language select box. Here it looks like this. Also you can see at the top right corner a green background, a green button with checkout text on it. When you click on it, you can see all the products which were ordered at the moment. You can also see that for this order the customer can choose the delivery methods, the payment methods, and identify some of the data which are necessary to serve this order. This pop-up also has some information about the company from which the user is currently ordering, the shop schedule, and payment and delivery terms which are summarized in form of such pop-up. Let's close the shopping cart and proceed reviewing the menu we have reviewed in the previous shop. Let's see what we have at the bottom. The footer has a number of links. You can also add your own informative pages and display them in form of the links here. There are also their social icons. If you use some promotion via social networks, you can reflect these groups here. So I guess this is it. This is the main elements on the page. Let's now look how they can be customized. The customization is made through the menu which we initially skipped. It consists of 3 items on the gray background. First item in this menu, manage theme. You can create themes here, and theme in the context of the uathrere.com platform is the number of colors and forms for all the elements on the pages, which you can aggregate and save as one theme. It is pretty comfortable to use when you want to prepare your shop to some of the holiday or to some of the sales, so the shop can look accordingly. For example, for New Year or for the Christmas or for other events. Next menu item is templates. This is most likely their main item here, since it affords to set up the colors nearly to each element in your shop. I am not going to show you all the properties of the all templates on the side. I will just show some of them so you can get an understanding how it looks. For example, for a main type template you can choose the following properties and change them: the colors of the links, the background of the site. Let's change it so you can see how it is changing. The main background, the background of the content, it is the central part which is currently white. The color of the buy button and its form, even the rounding corner radius, and many other things. There are a lot of other templates here for the top menu, for the catalog categories, for the product card, so you can experiment as much as you like. And what is more important, you can always save the set of these colors into the theme, as I have already mentioned above. Let's get to the last functional item on this page. It's widgets. At this moment you can change the widgets on the home page. If we get back to the home page, you will see that it consists of several elements. The first one is banner rotator, then news and articles, and some text one. So what the last item does, it manages all these text elements, text and graphics. Each block is called widget. So we have here a banner widget, and rotator, you're able to set all the properties for the banner rotator, upload pictures, set up links for each picture. Here you can also tune up the news widget and the text one. There are no any other widget types available, but these three are the most frequently requested by the user, and using them you will be always able to present your information properly. We are done reviewing the fancy part of the functionality, which affords to change colors for all the elements on the page. Now let's get down to more complicated things in terms of managing them, but at the same time these things help user to navigate your catalog and products more easily, and it helps them to find what they are looking for more quickly. Let's get back for the menu, which represents the catalog, and let's get into the furniture category. As you can see, there are three subcategories for their first category level, for the second, I'm sorry. Those chairs are aimed to be set up in the garden, in the home, and in the office. Earlier I said that those are all subcategories of the third level. In fact, you don't need to create subcategories. Instead, you can create the classes for some category and display them here in the form of the menu. If we click here, we'll see the page with the classes on the left. Here you can select the chairs on their destination. In terms of the UA-Trade.com platform, its classes. If you mark up another class, for example, you want to search the chairs also for home, then you will see that the number of products in the main content area has increased. The same thing is happening with the brand name or producer's name, so your customers will be able to sort up the products on the producers. And you can also see that you can sort up on this page the chairs based on their legs quantity. Those filters are pretty highly customizable on the back end, so you can create any filter with any number of options you can just imagine, and of course, if you believe that this will help your users to find necessary products quicker, and easier. This stage I have preliminarily created several products and assigned them just one filter and 3 classes for demo purposes. So now when you have you can reset the filters, for example, also, and see all the products. And now if you will mark this option which has 4 legs, you will see just those chairs which have 4 legs. You can also sort up the products using this drop down. One of the major pages is product page. Let's check one of those. Let's take a look at the listing of the products. As you can see, there are some which you have in stock and some which you don't have as in stock, and the user of the internet shop can leave his contacts, so you can contact him when the product is available in your stock. Also, if you draw your attention to the fact that some products has a price with the price from label, it means that this particular product has several options. For example, this product does have this label and the other don't have. Let's take a look at the product which has the products variants. So this is the page of the product I told earlier. Here you can see the products page with different options. For example, in this case, we see that TV has 22 inches and different colors, so the user can choose at once the color he wants. On this page you can also see the section which presents the product which usually buy with the current one. So if you choose this set of products correctly, then this might increase your sales. On the bottom of this page you can also see different tabs. First one is description. It's a simple tab. Then we can see features here in the form of the simple table. We can see the major properties of this product, and the comments tab where someone who bought this product can leave his feedback about this product, its advantages and disadvantages. Now let's see the opposite side of the moon. I'm talking about the backend section. Here how it looks like in general. It has a set of section and a set of subsections on the left, and we can quickly go through all of them. I'm not sure if we need to discuss each of them, but most of them are pretty simple to understand. So I will just click the subsections and you will just see the screens. If you will need more advanced understanding on how the system works, it has a built-in video help, which is denoted with the icons like this. So once you are registered in the system, this help is available to you. It is recorded on the Russian language, but it has manually translated English subtitles, so you might understand what it is going about if you do know English. The most advanced sections of the backend are located in the catalog section. So if we look at the category subsection, you will see that the category 3 is represented in the search form, and the category editing represented as the form on the right. Let's go quickly through those fields which are available in the editing form for the category, just through major fields. So the first major field is product classes. Here you can add the classes to your category. In fact, we have faced with product classes before when we were reviewing the furniture category and the chair subcategory. Here you can see that a set of classes has been set, and here on the front end you can also see the same classes here in the menu. To make available these classes in the menu as I have just shown, you need to set another major field which has name show as subcategory to classes. So if this field is set to classes, then the product classes which are defined in this field are displayed in the main menu. If you want to add more classes, you can feel free to do that. It is simply adds a new field and you can fill it in. Also on this form you can change the final major filter, the final major field which is called filters. You can see that there is one already, lacks quantity. So if you click change filters, you can add more filters here. In fact, if you have assigned some product classes or filters to the category, it means that you will be able to filter the products in this category which are in this category based on these criteria. Let's do not stuck on this page. It is pretty complex and big one, so you can play with it as soon as you log in. Let's go through the other pages. Next page is the products page. Here is the listing of the products. You can sort them based on the category's name. You can also edit the product. The products editing looks like this. It has a pretty long form, but it is pretty comfortable to interact with it because it is split on logical subsections. You can see here all of them. Next section, important section, is manufacturers. Here you can see all the manufacturers for the shop. Filters, which we were lucky to face with earlier. Orders, a list of orders which were made through the internet shop with an option to merge some of them. Notifications, which are pretty flexibly set up and are set based on the multiple events on the site. Here you can see all of them also. Next thing is the info pages and publications. It's a kind of a blog, or if you want to provide some additional information about the shipment or payment, you can add here the page. The user will see it and read it and will not ask any question on your support line. Next thing is settings. There are a lot of sections here, and we can see that site address You can set up the shop to use the external domain language settings with different options. Payment and delivery methods, currency rates, live help, notification settings to which email the notifications about different email events should be sent. Next and very important section is SEO. So you can set up the Google Analytics system to be integrated to Yandex Metrica. And settings, major settings for SEO optimization. If you go through this section, you will see that you can set up micro tags to auto generate the meta tags. So you don't need to input the tags for each category or each product. You need just set up them once, use micro tags, and you will have an optimized internet shop for Google bot and other search engines. Next section is design section. If you click this green button, you will see the page which we saw before. It is the front end. You're lucky to know how it works already. And the final section is account, where you can choose your payment plan, change payment plan, see transaction history. Sorry if my story was too long or was not really detailed one. It is a quick review, but as I already said, you can log in and view more detailed video help and ask questions to our support system if you have questions or notes or any suggestions how we can improve this or that features. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.